Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to stop recording on YouTube TV. In order to do it, you first have to come on YouTube TV, and here you just have to simply log in into your account. Afterwards, you need to click on the library section in the top, and this will be the section where you will be able to see all of your TV shows and all of your shows basically that you have added in your library. So the list might be look something like this. So in order to stop recording of the show, you just have to simply click on these three dots, and here you will see the option of remove. So you need to simply click on the remove option, and it will stop recording on your YouTube TV. Now you first need to understand that YouTube TV has an unlimited DVR, so there is no way to delete individual episodes from your library. However, you can remove a show from your library by just clicking the check mark under the show's title, but this removes the entirety of the show, not individual episodes. So if this is what you want to do, you need to go to the show page and click the check mark at the top that I showed you at the beginning of this video. So I hope this video helped you out, and if it does, do let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.